Alright, today I'm going to show you a little spring latch modification I did to my M-tech here, and maybe even show you how to do it. It's my M-tech Twist. Modified the latch mechanism, so that's now a spring latch, as you can see there. Alright, I'm going to get into exactly how I did that. First thing, I want to go to your local hardware store, pick up one of these old doohickeys. Cost me about 20 cents. It says 1/8 on it. I wouldn't go any bigger, a little smaller might work. And, you want to get one of these as well. This is a little Torx screwdriver. T6 fits beautifully in there. Anything bigger will strip it out. Alright, you're going to want to take this, rip that apart. I used some wire cutters here, and you'll definitely need those later. When you do that, you'll get one of these little doohickeys. Your spring here. First thing you're going to want to do is take that and bend it all the way around here. It looks like that. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to work. Next thing you're going to do, take your little Torx bit here, open up the latch. I'm going to take the Torx screwdriver and kind of poke it in there and pop that out. That'll come out and you'll get your latch. You'll see on here that the latch has a bunch of little holes in it. That's going to be important. What you need to do is take this, line it up with the big hole there, and put your screw through that and hold the spring in place. Kind of like this. See that first hole there next to the big one, the little one there? Now I want to take the smaller end, I prefer, and bend that so that it fits into that hole and kind of threads in like that. I'm going to do that now. You want to get that as tight as possible, so it's close to the right angle as you can. There's not a lot of room in between the latch and the handle. So I'm going to thread that through, kind of like that. There, I don't know if you can see it there, probably not. But after you've done that, you want to take it on the other side and bend it up over just slightly, just a little, just to keep it held in. My hands there. Most pliers would do better, but use what you've got. And you're going to take your wire cutters here and snip off the excess. Just leave a little so it doesn't come out easily. And you're going to take it and put it back in to the knife. Like that. Take this little part here. Put it through, wheel it around until they sit and they both lock in. You can put your screw back. You should already see that it's got a nice spring action there. So what you want to do next, I'm going to just use whatever. I'm going to hold the latch down and bend this long piece all the way down. Try to get a good bend on it as much as possible. I stuck this little thing in there from the doohickey with the spring. Bend that all the way down as much as you can. And then take this and clip off most of that. Leave a little bit so that in the future you can bend that down more if it loses power. I mean, I've been playing around with mine for a couple days now and it hasn't lost any, so I'm not too worried about it. take that, and that's pretty much it. Lock it down there and see how that works. A little weak, but you can improve that by bringing it down a little more. It even seems to improve just over time. Let's see if I can make that a little better. Bring that down, and yeah, there we go. And you can do these a couple times, they'll probably get better over time. But that works pretty well now, huh? Alright, there you go. Any questions, comments? Leave them below. Thank you.